Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pellet grills that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the Z Grills ZPG450A Wood Smoker Pellet Grill. The ZPG450A from Z Grills has a nice big pellet hopper, automatic temperature controls, and is capable of kicking out an incredible 25,000 BTUs. It will grill, braise, roast, bake, smoke or sear your choice cuts with the best of them, and picking one up won't require you to spend the kids' college fund or mortgage the house. There's a generous warming rack so you can keep your precious food products hot until the masses are ready to consume them. An internal fan that forces hot air from the combustion chamber into the grill where it creates convection-style circulation. A handy front shelf that we'd like to see on every grill regardless of price or fuel type. And the ability to set any temp you like between 180 and 475 Fahrenheit. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Z Grills ZPG7002E 2019 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. It's literally packed with features to make life easier, including an automatic pellet feeder as well as an upgraded digital control board. There are a generous grilling area and warming rack alongside a large capacity 20-pound pellet hopper. It features hot rod technology to auto-ignite those hardwood pellets, as well as an induction fan which can be used to stoke the fire to achieve faster results. Even if you are a novice to the world of grilling, you'll soon get the hang of this machine, and by serving up succulent seared and tender cuts of meat for family and friends. It's fully electronic, featuring auto start ignition, digital auto temperature control, as well as an easy-to-view LED temperature display. There's no babysitting needed when you're cooking with this Z Grill. It's also easy to clean up afterward, fitted with a waste oil collector for convenient and clean disposal. Moving your cart around to a prime location is also easier than ever before thanks to the addition of locking caster wheels. Constructed from premium stainless steel to be corrosion resistant and featuring a stylish, sleek and polished finish that looks incredibly professional, this is one pellet grill you will be proud to own and use. Our guide to the best charcoal grills features more top options like this, so take a moment to check them out. At number 3, we have the Pit Boss 700FB Pellet Grill. If you're looking for a grill that gets good and hot for searing steaks while still offering low and slow smoking capabilities, the Pit Boss 700FB should be high on your list. This grill has a maximum temp of about 500 degrees, which is higher than many pellet grills. It also has a unique flame broiler feature, allowing direct heat for searing burgers and steaks. This ability is a rarity in the pellet grill market, which tends to opt for indirect heating. Customers love that this grill holds its temperature well and gets hot enough for a good sear on a steak or burger. And many tout its high quality at a price well below the competition. At number 2, we have the Traeger TFB57GZEO Pro Series 575 Pellet Grill. Traeger is the original maker of pellet grills, and the Pro Series is the best-selling line of pellet grills in the world. The Pro Series 575 stands apart from the crowd with Wi-Fi technology. This convenient feature allows monitoring and adjusting the grill anytime, anywhere through the Traeger app. The Pro Series 575 also comes with Traeger's new D2 drivetrain, which heats faster and gives more consistent results than previous models. While the 575 offers a smaller cooking surface than other models on this list, 575 square inches, it gives backyard chefs tons of control through the Wi-Fi connection. You can even grill through Alexa. So for those who want their smoker with a side of technology, Traeger offers a clear choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Traeger Grills Pro Series 22 Pellet Grill and Smoker. The name Traeger is a hallmark of quality when it comes to pellet grills. They're the leading brand for a reason and have an impressive range of different options to choose from. This grill, the Traeger Grills Pro Series 22, is the perfect size for a small to medium-sized family. It's not the biggest grill in their range, but it still has space for 4 chickens, 5 racks of ribs, or 24 burgers. That should give you plenty of space, even if you're entertaining. It also has a hopper capacity of 18 pounds, which allows you to cook for longer. One of the most impressive features of the Traeger Grill's Pro Series 22 Digital Pro Controller. This amazing cooking system allows for precision temperature control, taking the guesswork out of grilling. This turns the average cook into a world-class chef. Buy it now and impress your family and friends.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.